Hello Fairy Slabs, welcome in 𝒮𝓮𝑔𝑽, mabuhay, and you are all back with me Fairy Sai. So in this video, I got the first package that Debbie of Pandora Hunting with Debbie and Scubbadude got for me. So she sent this way before Christmas, but since it was sent to my grandma and my grandma collected all of the items from US and Canada and she sent it to me. I think she sent it to me before Christmas, but I just got it yesterday. That was the 7th of January 2018. So Christmas is extended for me. Yeah, so this is a package from Debbie and I'm just so excited to see what she got for me, and she's just very sweet. I initially unboxed or unwrapped the first one that I received, which she sent to me directly from Canada to Sweden. And if you wanted to see that unwrapping, you can go ahead and check out the video at the end of this one. There will be a direct link and you can watch it. Yes. So to Debbie, thank you so much for all your lovely gifts, and you are a very good friend to me and I love talking to you every day. Like, my day is not complete when we do not talk. So thank you so much, and I really appreciate all your efforts and your friendship. And without further ado, let's unwrap this one. So I have my tiny scissor over here, and so it says here Canada Post. Yeah, okay. And she labeled it custom jewelry. Yes, all right. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow, look at that. So she gave me a card, but there's an address, so I'm not gonna show you. I'm just gonna open it right away, and then there's a sneak peek of the card. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. I'm going to read that with you in very soon. Okay, and then she has so awesome items here. Wow, she packed it so cute. She is so nice. And there's Santa in there. Aww. And that will be it. Yes. Alright, so first of all, let's read the card. And I'm going to go closer to you so we can read it. I love this red envelope, and it just gives me Christmas feel. Oh my gosh. It says, Merry Christmas to someone special. Some people are Christmas people in our lives. Just thinking of them lifts our spirits and makes us smile. Oh, that's so sweet. It's a Hallmark card. So she said, Elizabeth and Family 2018. One of the brightest joys of the holiday season is remembering these wonderful people. And that's just the kind of person you are. Wishing you a great Christmas and a Happy New Year. Debbie and Scubbadude. Oh, you're so sweet, Debbie. Thank you so much for this. And as usual, every time I receive cards, I put it near me. Perhaps we put it like so. And let's see what is on this one. Well, so there was this one ring that was part of my wish list, and she considered giving that to me, and I said, oh, I'm gonna pay for it. And again, she doesn't want me to pay for it. Oh, why, Debbie? Why? So she said that I'm gonna give you something else instead, because that one has sentimental value. And I didn't really want to, you know, take that from her. Of course, I'm so embarrassed, but she's just so nice to send whatever it is in here, and some other items, I think. So let's check it out. Okay, so I can see Santa Claus in here. Ta-da! It's too bright. There you go. And reindeer. Reindeers too. Reindeers. So let's see. I want to see. Aha, there's a small Pandora box inside. Alright. And let's check this out. I wonder. Oops. Okay. There's a couple of items. Oh my god, there's a couple of items inside. This is the first one. Oh my gosh, I think I'm seeing a crown. I'm seeing a crown. Oh my god, Debbie, you didn't have to. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It looks like a tiara. I don't even know the name of this ring. This is so pretty, Debbie. Wow. What's the size? It's a P2S925ALE in size 52, which is my size for the index finger. I can also wear that on the middle finger too. So I'm going to share to you how that looks. I'm actually wearing the other ring that Debbie have given me. And it looks like this. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And she was wondering if I have this on my collection, and Debbie, no, I don't have this in my collection. So thank you so much for this one. Oh my goodness. And then there's some more. There's some more items. I'm so excited. Okay, so she sent me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I see one item here that I've been looking for so long. Oh my god. And it's the medical symbol charm, the Cigna. Oh my gosh. Because this really symbolizes nursing for me. Oh my god. I'm gonna need to insert close-ups of this one because I really love it. This is just such an amazing charm. Oh my gosh, Debbie. Oh, thank you. This is such a very wonderful gift. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's so exciting. Thank you so much for this, Debbie. Aww. So I don't know where I'm gonna put it, to my All About Me bracelet or to my two-tone. Well, I usually move around. Oh my gosh, my eyes. I'm gonna cry. Thank you so much. I usually move around my charms. Oh my god, there's another charm here. And this one, she showed this to me. It's part of my wish list because I wanted to do an April bracelet, which I hope I can complete before my birthday, this April 2019. And this is one of the old retired charms that has April birthstone, and it looks like this. Oh, Debbie, thank you so much. You're so sweet. Thank you for that. So I have two charms, and there's this one 𝒮𝓿, and she showed this to me. She said she's not certain if it's real as it's tarnished, but judging by how it looks, because the 𝒮𝓿 is engraved in there, and then it's quite heavy. So, but I can still go ahead and have this check on our 𝒮𝓿 Debbie. But oh my gosh, I really love it because I have a bracelet, but I'm wearing my 𝒮𝓿 today, and it's what I call what a girl wants. Well, I'm going to do a separate video about this one. So I have another 𝒮𝓿 bracelet, and then the theme for that is parlor. It's a spa parlor thing because there's scissors and comb in there. There's nail polish, so it's a spa bracelet, and then now I have the blower. So it's gonna be so cute there. Thank you so much for all of these amazing items, especially for the ring. I love it. And then the medical emblem charm. Oh my gosh, I'm just so happy. You have no idea. I've been wanting this for so long. And of course, adding to my birthday bracelet is this one, the hanging charm for April birth month, which is a retired one. So thank you so much for all of this, Debbie. And then inserting close-ups for all of them. And there you have it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video. And Debbie, thank you so much for all of these amazing items. And I call Debbie the fairy godmother. Thank you so much for this and for your love and for your friendship. And I'm looking forward for more of your YouTube videos. And if you need help, you know that I'm just always here. You can just send me a message on Instagram or you can call me. Yeah, so I love you and I hope that I see you as well in the future so I can give you real hugs. Love you. And to everybody, please go ahead and check out Debbie's channel. It's Pandora Hunting with Debbie and Scubbadude. I'm going to put the link to her YouTube channel down below on my description bar, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Remember to stay fierce and fly high. See ya.